Okay, so this video is on demand, as one of my subscribers requested that I uncar this 23 RAM 1500. Okay, and in this video I will let you in on the details. Okay, and as this is the first time they have casted this, like it is factory fresh, you can see here, right? So before this, excuse me, so before this blue, there was a flame red, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and this one is, they say, hydro blue. Okay, and let's just open it up and talk about it. So I was, I had planned to open this up late because of what I had planned, I had in mind. I was supposed to uncard, Nissan Skyline GT 2000, GTR 2000, Liberty Walk, but this was my first, request from any subscriber. So here is the video. Okay, very carefully let us open this up. I think metal makes sure that this is not easily cut, but anyhow, in most of the supermarkets they just tear it and take the car away with them. Okay, I've hit the front wheel. This is the third time that has happened. Previously it has happened with other two fantasy castings. No, one with fantasy casting and one with other car. I want to save the card, that is why I'm struggling so much. Sorry, I have a mild throat irritation. So this is out. Happy to see in the flesh. I really hope it was in this color though. This color looks absolutely stunning. No complaints on this one either. This looks very much longer than other Hot Wheels that I had. Just a second for comparison. I have this Pajero and this looks very small, right? So it was supposed to be saying that the front wheels are jacked up for off-roading acceleration. Yeah, and this has front details, headlight details. Yeah, they also have these rearview mirrors, Hot Wheels badging right here and here. Tail lamp details are done good. I hope you're able to see this. There are some scratches on the sunroof and on the windscreen. They also have embossed the wipers here. The hood has been detailed. The side has been detailed. There's the RAM badging here. The door handles on both the sides. RAM has been embossed. The logo has been embossed here. A dual exhaust, nice touch. Plastic base and metal body. Okay, just a second. Okay, this is the base, 23 RAM HXB33. Metal is following this, rounded rectangular shape on the base right now. Overall, this is very nice looking. The wheels are nice. They are off-roading wheels with chrome inserts. chrome rims. They look absolutely nice. They roll smoothly like this. Let's check. Yeah, they roll smoothly. Let me change the camera angle. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Roll wise, it rolls very smoothly. This is a very huge car. Okay, I never expected this to be so huge, and frankly speaking, I think it looks so badass. Yeah, some irregularity I can see here on the front. Can you see that? Wait, let me get some lights here. If you're not able to see this, I don't know. There is a slight, chip in the paint on top of the, RAM logo here. I hope you're able to see that. So overall, I think I got this from a local store anyhow at MRP, maybe 5% less, I guess. This is a very huge Hot Wheels and pretty solid one. I happen to like it. I said it could have been in this purple color, yeah, as the card art, but even in this, it looks so amazing. One second. It has my fingerprints on the screen. Yeah. See, this is how huge it looks. It makes the Pajero feel small. For the size comparison, look at this. Look at this. Okay. The Pajero feels tiny in front of this huge, humongous 23 RAM 1500 1500. Yeah. So that was it. Thanks to Natik. Yeah, I had to yeah, so I had to pause the video and see the name because your username is something else, so I had to see your name. So thanks to Natik. This has been really amazing unboxing. This is the biggest car in this whole case. Yeah, not even this whole case, even in the previous case, I think there's nothing bigger than this, lengthier than this. I think the Jeep one, I have to unbox it here. That could be a competitor for this one. But until then, I think this is very monstrous. Okay, and yeah, I will conclude the video now. Thank you for watching, staying till the end. This is absolutely stunning car. Awesome details, awesome paint job, really cool car. If you love these pickup trucks, I really love them, so I think you should get it. I love it. Okay, I'm glad that I bought it. And this was also in the Logan movie, if you guys remember. Almost the same color, but not exactly the same model, but the same color Ram pickup truck. He takes it up in the second half of the movie. If you haven't watched that, do watch that. And he tries to break this car. He smashes it with a shovel or something like that. It hardly comes off. So yeah, this is it. Thank you once again. Do like, share, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, keep collecting, stay happy, bye.